July 1st, 2021, we are back at the house where we redid the porch. We are going to fix all of the timber decking so that he can walk on his porch.
I had just put it. It is not a part of the...
Oh, you put it there. I was wondering what was holding that up. That was crazy because I was like, there's nothing holding the end of that up.
Because I had put some bricks. Just...
Yeah. Well, I gotta see what's going on under here.
Okay.
If I can extend some boards underneath of that piece to stabilize it, we will. I don't even know what we're looking at under here yet.
You see them good. Looks like good. Beams are there.
Yeah, they gotta go that way, yeah. Yep.
Okay.
All right. I'll let you know when I'm ready.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, so what they did was they built this little frame out here because that's where you're going to step, but it was unsupported on both ends. Yeah. Interesting. Boy, that's craziness. Well, you worked hard at getting that out. Enjoy watching our videos? Your other half may want to watch them with you. So why not share the time and space with your awesome partner?
Yeah, we like watching Bob's videos too.
Kitana's removing the screws that were left behind when the decking boards were pulled off. Most of these screws are rotted with like no hope of backing them out, so she's just knocking them back and forth in many cases to snap them off. Now I gotta say that I don't care for the indoor-outdoor carpet being left under the timber because I would think that it slows down the drying time after a good soaker of a rainstorm, but you gotta do what the homeowner wants and the verdict's in. It's staying. Have you seen one of these? This is what they call a plate vise, and I have to say this tool's value is so much greater than the space it takes up in the truck. This tool works with several common lumber sizes, from the 1x material, 4x4 posts, and most dimensional lumber, such as 2x4s, 2x6, 2x10s, and it makes it super easy to cut this lumber without bulky sawhorses. I'm overlapping the long gray piece of repurposed decking with the short piece that I just cut to find out exactly where the angle cuts are going to line up. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. The quality of the work you perform speaks volumes about your craftsmanship. Well, I want this porch to scream excellence to all who darken this doorstep.
see this gap right here. You can't really get rid of that, but it's tight on that end and tight on this end. And the way you fix that is you use a board straightener. That's what it looks like. It has these two prongs. It goes over this. You bring it towards the board you want to straighten. This flat piece goes up against it. And as you push, it provides the leverage you need to bend your board straight while somebody or yourself puts a screw in.
Bring it straight.
Yeah. Alright, there it is, folks. We left it open right there and right there so air can get under, but right where the walkway is, we dropped it down a little lower. We used old pieces that were in good shape to trim that off. Once this deck is repainted, you won't even notice. That's what it looks like. No longer need these bricks over here. We added structure to it, so it's nice and strong. All pressure treated, ground contact. Just in time. Here comes the forecasted thunderstorm that we were supposed to get. Time we started at 8, so it took us 4 hours and 5 minutes. But she's done. You can see what she looks like. The porch looks magnificent, except for the ceiling fans. So once this dries out over a season, then this all can be painted to match, and I think it'll look absolutely wonderful. I think the client will be really happy with it. So, all right, you ready to get out of here?
Oh yeah. Got a headache.
That was a fast 4 hours. All right.
It felt a lot longer than that.
Let me make out his invoice. Say goodbye to the people at home.
Bye.